Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file and duplicating the background so you never work destructively. Select the glass with the Quick Selection or Pen tool. Be precise around edges and reflections. Once selected, create a layer mask and invert if necessary so glass is isolated. Make sure to zoom to 100% for feather adjustments and set a soft 0. 5-2px feather to avoid hard edges. This gives you control when you begin content-aware fills and healing on the next steps. Now you apply content-aware fill to the masked glass area and check the sampling region. Exclude highlights or foreign reflections to keep texture consistent. Once filled, create a new stamped layer and refine seams using spot healing for small artifacts and clone, stamp at 50-75% opacity for larger structural matches. Make sure to clone from multiple directions to avoid repeating patterns. If edges look soft, add a subtle high-pass sharpen at low opacity to reintegrate fine detail and maintain natural appearance. Finish by matching lighting and contrast so your repair blends. Use curves and subtle dodge and burn to recreate highlights and shadows. If the background lost depth, apply a selective Gaussian blur of 0. 3-1px to match original depth of field, then check edges and color with a soft brush on a new layer set to color blend. If things go wrong, like visible repeating patterns, vary clone sources, rotate or scale sampled patches, and rerun small content-aware passes until the result reads natural.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.